Water leaking into your Silverado cab usually comes from a failing third brake light seal. Replacing this foam gasket takes 10 minutes and requires only a basic Phillips head screwdriver. Ignoring this common problem will eventually ruin your headliner and cause severe electrical interior damage. Start by locating the two screws on the outside of the third brake light housing. Carefully remove these screws and gently pull the entire light assembly away from the truck. Disconnect the wiring harness plug so you can completely remove the housing from the vehicle. The most crucial step involves removing every trace of the old, deteriorated foam factory gasket. Use a plastic scraper to carefully lift the old adhesive without scratching the exterior paint. Clean the surrounding metal surface with rubbing alcohol to ensure a perfectly smooth installation area. Take your new, upgraded thick rubber seal and align it properly against the housing edge. Peel off the adhesive backing slowly while pressing the gasket firmly onto the plastic base. Make sure there are absolutely no gaps or wrinkles along the entire perimeter sealing surface. Reconnect the wiring harness plug until you hear a distinct click confirming a solid connection. Push the brake light assembly back into its original position against the truck cab metal. Reinstall the two mounting screws, but be very careful to avoid cracking the plastic lens. Tighten the screws evenly, alternating between sides until they are snug against the rubber seal. Test your cargo lights and brake lights to verify everything functions properly before driving away. Your interior is now completely protected from heavy rainstorms and automated car wash high pressure.